Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of Calvin Klein's finest offerings, the women's short-sleeved princess seamed sheath dress. This dress stands out as a pinnacle of style and sophistication in Calvin Klein's lineup, perfect for any occasion from work to evening events. Let's start with the basics. This dress is crafted from a blend of 94% polyester and 6% spandex, ensuring both comfort and a flattering fit. Its tailored princess seams and scoop neck design offer a modest yet professional silhouette, ideal for those looking to exude confidence effortlessly. One of the standout features of this dress is its attention to detail. The exposed zipper closure at the back adds a touch of modernity, while the fitted knee-length cut complements the body's natural curves beautifully. Whether you pair it with heels, sandals, or a jacket, this dress transitions seamlessly from desk to dinner. Given its composition, it's essential to note that this dress is dry clean only, maintaining its quality and structure over time. Its imported origin ensures Calvin Klein's commitment to premium craftsmanship and design. For those wondering how to style this dress, the possibilities are endless. Opt for a sleek blazer for a more formal look at the office, or accessorize with statement jewelry for an evening out. Its versatility truly makes it a wardrobe staple. To wrap it up, the Calvin Klein women's short-sleeved princess seamed sheath dress is not just a dress, it's a statement piece. With its impeccable tailoring, quality materials, and timeless design, it undoubtedly earns its place as one of the best sheath dresses in Calvin Klein's collection. If you're interested in adding this stunning piece to your wardrobe, check out the link in the description below to find out more. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this on Product Critique.